Hey guys, what's up? I'm just going over this video here. Our shower valve had busted. And I'm looking on YouTube and there was a lot of videos, but everyone was struggling to remove the little filter thing. Come to find out, there's a little clip right here. See this clip here? It goes down in here, which is holding this valve in place. So once you pull this clip up, you pull it up like that, take it out of there. That's what it looks like. Then your valve will come right out. Pretty simple.